This is Cascadia, iZotope's new delay plugin. It looks and feels a lot like Aurora. It's got the frequency bandings on the bottom. It's got the unmask facility on the right-hand side, attack, release, sensitivity, pretty much the same types of settings. But how does it sound? Well, we're going to try it on a drum track and I'm going to let you know. So let's give it a go. So we'll just start here. Everything starts at 0. We're just going to increase that rate there, starting at 1/8. I love the graphics there. As you increase it, it gets more dense. So we can reduce the bandings there. So you only have the delay on the top end or on the lower end. So that's pretty cool. Then you've got unmask facility. Let's go and unmask. So it's got standard, basically the standard delay functions. Let's go and change some of the tempos. This is ping pong mode. This is time delay in milliseconds. Let's reverse the delay. That's pretty cool. Let's solo the delay. Let's increase the delay here, amount. I guess this is like feedback. Let's increase the width. We can make it almost mono here. Let's bypass everything. This is very cool. This is super cool. Let's increase the mod depth. Wow, it sounds awesome. Let's try some of the presets here. Try some classic presets. Basic delay, basic ping pong. Chorus width, doubler. Let's try it on a bass line here. Just add it to the bass line. We'll try some of the presets. Let's add the sidechain kickstart to it. This is super cool. The unmask feature alone is unique, and I think you guys should definitely check it out.